some bleach
and some rubber bands
and a bucket.
some gloves.
Alright, so basically now we have a wet t-shirt. And what we're going to do with this wet t-shirt, we're going to start spinning it around in like a little spiral, just so we could get the effect that we need. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do is put rubber bands all around the t-shirt just to lock in the style that we did. Alright, so now we put the t-shirt in the bucket. We're going to get our gloves and put them on. Alright, so now we're going to grab our bleach mixed with water, and I use hot water to mix it with. And we're just going to spray on both sides of the t-shirt, and we're going to get it very saturated. Alrighty, so as you can see, I used a lot of bleach because it's a yellow t-shirt. I mean, you gotta use a lot of bleach just so the color will come out. Alright, so now we're just going to let the bleach soak in there a little bit. I'm just going to wait for it to see if it changes a little. But eventually I'm going to be adding more bleach to it anyway. Alright, so now I'm just going to wait for the t-shirt to just start losing its color so it could turn into a lighter color yellow.
A few inches later.
Alright, now it's finally lost its color. You see that it's a very lighter yellow. And now we're just going to start on the next process. Alright, so now I'm basically just looking at the t-shirt just to make sure that it was all saturated with the bleach. It pretty much looked like it is, but most likely I'm probably gonna spray more bleach on it just to make sure. Yep, I'm definitely spraying more bleach on it. Okay. Alright, no more bleach. We're done with that. Now on to the next thing. Alright, now we got ourselves some hot water in the bucket. Yes sir, yes we do. Okay, so now we're basically just washing the t-shirt out with the hot water. We're just moving it around a little bit. And then now I'm going to go get basically some soap. It was soap from, I'm trying to remember, where did I get this soap from? I don't even remember, but we're just using some soap, and you see I put a lot on there just to get that bleachy smell out of the t-shirt. Okay, next step, I'm taking off all the rubber bands off the t-shirt, and then we're basically just gonna put the t-shirt back in the soapy water just to clean it again fully. And you could already tell the t-shirt came out great. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the final look. It came out awesome. I'm so excited. Yay! I really tried my hardest on this. Thank you.